Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to withdraw your requests on Airbnb website. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you connect to your account, all you need to do is to go to your trips so we can cancel our request. So basically here I have already a trip here. So basically I'm just going to click on it, and if it wasn't confirmed yet and it's still pending, you can cancel it easily without any other things. But I already have my trip that is confirmed, so I need to go down here in my trip and go down and click on cancel reservation. So after that they will ask me just some few questions like the reason why I do want to select to cancel, and etc. So I'm just going to do that. I no longer need accommodation, and as you can see I have a total refund, and sorry, but I do not need any accommodation, etc. Then and then you click just continue, and basically you cancel your reservation or you withdraw your request. Depends on the states of your request. So basically if it was still pending, as I said, you can just cancel it without any problems, and here I'm just going to cancel it and have my refund. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.